The 2012 Mercedes C63 AMG WhiteStorm by Romeo Ferraris. The Mercedes C63 AMG is a car that is seemingly perfect straight from the factory, so providing it with a tuning package didn't exactly make much sense. Then we came across this tuning package from Italian tuner, Romeo Ferraris, and our minds were changed instantly. The new Mercedes C63 AMG WhiteStorm received a number of changes covering every aspect of the vehicle, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. With a name like the WhiteStorm C63 AMG, anyone can surely imagine that the vehicle would come in white. In fact, it comes covered in a matte white finish with a contrasting black grille, black fog light surrounds, front spoiler side vents, and a black diffuser. The contrasting color is also added in with a new set of black wheels in a 5-spoke design. The exterior package is finished by a carbon fiber roof and a trunk lid lip. For the interior, the tuner is offering sports seats covered in red leather for that extra pop of color. The red is also present on the steering wheel, door panels, armrest, and gear shifter. The rest of the interior is black. Strong and vibrant colors such as the ones that were used can only be truly appreciated with some extra power under the hood. Romeo Ferraris addresses that with a revised AQ mapping for the Mercedes 6.2-liter V8 engine and a completely new exhaust system with metal catalysts to 200 cells and 4 end pipes. These changes result in an additional 79 HP for a total of 536 HP and an extra 59 pound-feet of torque.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.